Hey guys, long time no see. So today I wanted to do a foundation first impressions and check out this L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation. Haven't tried it. I got the shade W4 and yeah, we're gonna try it. And I also have the Infallible Pro Glow to try out and also the Infallible Glow Lock primer to try out, which is very, very new. So I'm sorry if you can't really hear me very well. I don't have my microphone. A lot of my equipment, I guess you can call it, I do not have. That's why I haven't been filming. But I thought that I would do it anyways because I miss doing these. I'll take you throughout the day with me in different lighting to see how the foundation looks, how it wears throughout the day. It's fairly early right now. It's like 8 o'clock. And so, yeah, this should be fun. Thank you guys. Thank you for the sweet comments and the love I've been getting while I've been gone. Update video will be up before this or after this. Yes. So, yes. So first off, the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion. It's been out for a while. It's not super new, but it's new to me. And I have the shade W4. They have like about 16 shades, if not more. So this is what the company has to say about this foundation. It's a liquid foundation, revolutionized, build luminous coverage in a tap, introducing new True Match Lumi Cushion, a liquid foundation infused in an innovative sponge that delivers the perfect amount of makeup. Our luminous, refreshing formula creates sheer to medium coverage. Tap a little for a fresh, natural glow. Tap on more to build a new level of luminous coverage. So it is a luminous foundation. So I'll put on the Infallible Glow Lock. This is new and I was super curious, and it's a primer. So let's just start by doing that. My skin is crazy, my under eyes is crazy because, man, you'll find out in the update what's been going on, but it's been crazy. Ooh, this feels nice and very like luminous but moisturizing, so it feels nice on the skin. Kind of like an extra moisturizer, it feels like. And so this is what the cushion looks like. Little puff. I love the packaging. It's like rose gold. It has a nice mirror. And then it has a little door that you open, and then you just take this tab off. So I'm going to try it with the sponge, and then I have my Morphe sponge and a brush if I need it. Wow, barely tapped it in. There's a lot coming off. All right, let's do this. I think I got a good match. Oh, I feel like the sponge soaked up a lot of the product. On that side. Okay, I just took too long, I think. It still looks like skin and it blends in, but I don't know that the sponge is my favorite, so let's try it with the Morphe sponge and let's see how it works. Oh yeah, way better with the Morphe sponge. Yeah, much better with the Morphe sponge. And it looks like I might have gotten a shade too light. Yeah, I like it so much better with a sponge. Like, I barely tap my sponge in there, my Morphe sponge, and it gets a tiny bit of product and it goes a long way. So I definitely prefer the sponge. I think that's a good natural coverage right there. It evened out my skin. Good natural coverage. Let's see what the brush does for us. This is just a Morphe Y6 brush. I'm just tapping it in. Feels nice on the skin so far. But it is definitely a medium coverage. Light to medium, so it did build up to medium, but it's still very light. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I shall be back. So I finished the rest of my makeup. It's 8:30. I did have to set the foundation. I kind of tried to let it set by itself. It didn't really set. It wasn't like super sticky or anything like that, but it did have a little bit of tackiness, so I set it down. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I used on my face today so you can kind of know. Where else all my stuff here? Okay, so for powder, so for concealer, I use Infallible Pro Glow, which is a very light concealer. And then I used the Maybelline Fit Me in 20 to set my foundation. I also did use the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Where's Walnut. I went over that with, of course, my Park Avenue Princess Tarte bronzer. I'm using up this little sample size like nobody's business right now. And so I did that. I used the LA Colors Spice blush. Come on. You guys should know what blush I'm going to use. This is my baby right here. So this is the blush I used. For a little tiny bit of a highlight, I used the Becca Skin Perfector in Moonstone. Used that. And that's it. For my eyes, I basically used a little bit of the Morphe Cathing Lights palette. Nothing too much. And yeah, that's basically it. On my lips, I put a little bit of this Wet n Wild blush. So now that you guys can kind of see it close up with all my makeup on, it looks really beautiful and it still looks natural. I love the L'Oreal Lumi line. It does look natural. It looks really, really beautiful. And I do think that it doesn't, ooh, wait a minute here, wait a minute here, wait a minute here. This is definitely sinking into my fine lines. So if you have any kind of smile lines, it might sink in there. So it's already sinking in. Yep. Because I do this a lot, you know, these lines up here. It's already sinking in there. So we're going to see how it ends up on the rest of the day. It looks really dry up there. But everywhere else, it looks really, really beautiful and super, super natural. And I think it blends a lot better with my neck now that I've put on some other makeup. So I think everything else, though, it looks really, really beautiful and smooth. And I'm kind of digging the color right now. So it's 8:30. I'll come back and check with you guys in about 5 hours, then 8 hours, and we'll see how this foundation wears throughout the day. But so far, I mean, it looks good. I mean, it's a drugstore foundation. It looks really good and smooth and really nice. So I'll check back with you guys soon. It's been 5 hours. It's 1:30 p.m. Yeah, let's take a look and see how the foundation all looks, especially up close. Okay, so you can kind of see, let's dim this light, how the foundation looks. It looks fine. I mean, I definitely can see like my lines, like the makeup sunk in there. The makeup sunk in there, but it doesn't look worse. It doesn't look worse. And it doesn't look as dry as it originally did. I did want to show you how the foundation looks after 5 hours in natural lighting. So I'm here at my window and you can kind of see, I mean, I'm not too fond about the like sinking into lines. So if you have smile lines and stuff, but other than that, really natural, really beautiful. Be like a good everyday foundation where it looks good every day, but let's see how it lasts for the rest of the night. And I'm not like super glowy or anything, so I will see you guys back in 3 hours, which is 4:30, and that will be like the 8-hour mark, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm back. It's been 8 hours. It's 4:30. I definitely see my skin more. It's light coverage now. I have been like laying down and cuddling with the kids and doing a bunch of different things. And so I still like how it looks for every day because lately I've been struggling finding something light coverage for every day that I like how it looks. It looked great at 5 hours, 6 hours. It's the 8-hour mark that I feel like it looks really light coverage. But if you like that kind of stuff, this is a great foundation. I mean, it didn't sink into my lines even more. It didn't get dry or anything. It just looked very natural. And again, it depends on what powder you put on top. But so far, I mean, I like it. It doesn't last very long, but it's good for a light day, for an everyday, something perfect. I feel like it's perfect for me right now, but yeah, so let's check down below for foundation matches, and give me a thumbs up if you like foundation first impressions, and I'll do more. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.